always got new chicks, mad whips, got mad kicks, homie. What you wanna show me? I do my thing on my own. Roam, third up on my lonely. Don't need a hack man, don't need a mic stand. Just need a game and a tight plan. Know that I'm a rider, so any chick you see me with, best believe that I'm a grinder. Don't know where to find her, because I shine so bright, so bright, so light that I'm a blinder. Out in Carolina, I'm with my dirty South chick, big daddy thick. Seen something finer? This is how I do, man.
Oh look, they got the Unbridled book. I want to get that.
You want to go, huh?
Yeah, I've been wanting to get that book. And you signing it too?
Oh, let's go.
This is an amazing book, y'all. This is an amazing book.
It's an amazing book.
Yeah, I mean, when it takes that long to write something that's amazing, and I haven't even read it yet. But
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you that I'm looking at it, looking at the quality of the author here, and I'm going to tell you this is rock solid. So, what are you guys doing here?
Just here, see some cars, go around the oval track.
Yeah.
The orange supercharged Mustang right there, it's mine.
Yeah?
That orange one. With the Whipple supercharger.
Well, I'm Shannon.
Shannon,
I'm the owner of Elmore, and I thank you so much.
He's the guy putting this
Nice
whole
to meet
thing
you.
out.
Yeah, and I'd like to buy you a book.
Oh, I would love it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'd like to buy you a book.
You're awesome.
How much?
Yeah, they're $99, $200 would cover the two books. I'll pay the tax bill for you. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Oh wow, I appreciate y'all.
Yeah, absolutely. You just have to be at the right spot at the right time.
Amazing.
So you got where you signed mine.
This is yours, right here. Would you like a bag for it?
Of course, man. Man, thanks so much. So
Thank you.
yeah, I'll give you my digits.
Yeah,
You want?
When is it?
Yeah. Every book.
it's his
You
book.
just text me later or something. Just remind me who.
Bag
Yeah,
for it.
okay.
Thank you.
Oh, that was close. That was close. Just text me later. So I'll have it.
Will do.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Hey, enjoy your book.
If you
I
are
appreciate,
wanting
thank
to
you.
stock some of those.
In our hunter, right? I mean, this is amazing. It's the best book I've ever seen. And I mean, you know, I've been with Heasley forever. You know, Jerry Heasley, I mean, Donald Farr,
Yep,
all those people.
yep.
I grew up with all those people.
Yeah.
Steve Turner's out here, you know.
Donald actually wrote the prelude for this.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
his words are in here.
Really? And
Yep.
so him and Pam.
Yep,
Pam's his wife?
yep,
Yeah,
yep,
okay.
yep.
Well, man, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Wonderful.
You want it signed for you?
Hey, enjoy your book, man.
No. You can put your name in it.
Happy to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, who am I making it out to?
Tell them your name.
Melanie? M-E-L-A-N-I-E?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of Mustang do you have, Melanie?
He has a Mustang.
So tell them which one. The orange supercharged one.
Oh, orange supercharged.
Yeah, right there.
Which, is it that 550 sitting there?
Yeah, with the hand poking out the grill.
Okay.
How long did how long did it take to write the book?
3.5 years.
3.5 years?
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was getting up at 4:30 in the morning every day for 3.5 years to get it done. At the end, we were staying up past midnight,
Oh, wow.
getting all the page layouts done to have it ready for Indy, and the rest has been history.
Thank you so much. I appreciate
Thank you. Enjoy the book. Yeah, you guys had perfect timing showing up while he was here.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Thank you to Robert Kennedy and LMR for this book. It was amazing. It was nice to meet you, Robert, if you're watching this video. And thank you to LMR for actually purchasing this book for me. It's a pretty good book. Very well detailed. Lots of great photos in here. And it was nice to meet the author, Robert Kennedy, over at LMR event. So thank you very much for this book. I really appreciate it. The problem is, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. I got my Mustang 50 Years book there. My top shelf is pretty full up there. Yeah, I'm a little low on space here. My other shelf here is all full too, so not really sure where I'm going to keep this for now. Probably just going to stay in my living room while I read it. You got my pizza, man? All right, I want cheese and pepperoni for her. All right, see ya. I need that sticker, Bernice. Not fast, just loud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, I love the white wheels, man.
Oh, this is.
I got the other orange one back there.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah.
Yeah. I was wanting to do like a Warburg thing, white stripes with white wheels.
Yeah.
Now I know how to look, man.
Right. Your sound. Need to get like a logo or a sign or something. Yeah.
A logo or a sign, yeah.
I love it, man. Yeah.
You done anything to it?
Recently did some suspension.
All right.
Yeah, I'm on the fence if I'm gonna go new model or just keep adding to this one, but
Yeah.
just having fun with the event. How long you had yours?
About 4 years.
Oh, okay, sweet, yeah.
Yeah. I Whipple supercharged it, put on Corsa exhaust, all sorts of different stuff. MGW short throw.
Yeah, that's what's next for mine, man. I need that little,
Yeah, the MGW is perfect, man. It's the best one. It's Machine Gun Works. They make guns, but they also make short throws. It's all billet metal.
Yeah.
It's solid.
Sweet.
All right, nice to meet you, man.
Brother Chase.
See you out there. Chase, Andrew.
Okay, Andrew. Pleasure, man.
Pleasure. Bro, I love the car.
I appreciate it, brother.
Looks sick.
Thank you, man.
Oh, that's a cool handlebar.
Yeah. Get the 80.
You got a phone in there too, man. That's sick.
Yeah, I appreciate it, brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
I like your car too.
Thank you. Did you wrap it yourself or? Yeah, it looks nice. I have a lime green Challenger. I had it custom painted with a metal flake.
Yeah, I can't afford the paint job, you know what I'm saying? The
It
wrap,
wasn't too bad.
if somebody hit it, I can peel it off and do it all over.
Gotcha.
I had messed up a lot of wrap, but now I kind of got the hang of it and stuff like that. I don't bring it out that often to get enough heat to
sun to get like
To,
full,
pull it off?
Yeah, to get
Sorry,
some
bubble.
air bubbles out. So
Yeah.
I bring it out that often. I bring it out twice in a week.
Twice a week, yeah. I'm a trucker, so I drive my car maybe once every 2 weeks.
Okay.
So I hardly ever drive it.
Yeah. This is the weekend car.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't bring it out that often.